Hi. I occasionally get asked questions about how we operate in China. Sometimes the same questions come up again and again. And recently I've been asked a few questions about our quality systems. Rather than repeat the same thing and always forget something, I thought I'd create a small video which explains what we do. I hope this is useful to you.
Our team in China includes departments for product development, customer service, buying and quality. The quality team itself is split into two parts: quality assurance, which is about getting it right, and quality checking, which is making sure we got it right. Our furthest factories are spread over a 700,000 square kilometre area, from Guangzhou to Hunan to Nantong. We have 12 QCs scattered across that area, each living permanently close to the factories that they cover. Okay, quality is split into 5 main areas. These are: 1. Factory audit and selection. 2. Quality assurance during development. 3. Quality control during production. 4. Quality checking after production. 5. Loading checks.
I'll now go through each of these and explain how we operate.
Factory audit. Before agreeing to production, QA do an initial factory audit to look at capacity, capability, safety, etc. Any previous independent audit results are noted. Whilst we do not require factories to pass independent audits, we do have basic requirements of our own: no child labour, no slave labour, strong control of sharps, knives, etc. The factory audit report is passed to management to check the factory's suitability and stored for future reference. 2. Quality assurance during development. During development, the PD team work with QC to identify potential problems. They create a product-specific QC checklist which specifies what to look for, what is a pass, what is a minor fail, or what is a major fail. 3. Quality control during production. QA are involved during the design of the production process. They will help with the process itself, component testing and tooling. In addition, the QA team includes a glue specialist who advises on all issues requiring adhesion. As part of quality control, the factories make samples until they achieve the required standard, which is then signed off and becomes the standard for all future production. At time of placing the order, the factory is issued with approved sample, full colour spec sheet, packing details and any other special instructions. If it's the first order, if there are known problems, the QA will visit to oversee production. It can be a short visit or a constant presence throughout the production process. All products include a batch code to provide some traceability. 4. Quality checking after production. The final QC check is requested by buyers as production ends. The QC check every title against the spec sheet, artwork or other instructions. As a result, the quantity checked is 2 to 4 times the international AQL standard. As well as checking against the documentation and samples, some further tests can be made: battery or light tests, ink adhesion tests, label stickiness tests, scratch test, burn test, etc. The full results are documented and every title is marked pass, rework, remake or fail. If rework or remake will mean delay, then this is escalated to senior management for a decision. Senior management may well discuss this with the customer rep. The completed QC checklist is permanently stored, and if necessary, the above steps are repeated. 5.
When the goods are being loaded, a separate QC loading visit is made. The QC will check the cartons, count them onto the container, photograph the loaded goods, and complete a loading report which is permanently stored. To complete the full cycle every year, the factories are scored on multiple criteria and can be re-audited, retrained or replaced if they no longer fit with what we're looking for. Despite all of this, problems can still get through to the customer. When reporting problems, we need the batch code, the purchase order number, the quantity of product affected and some photographs. All complaints are evaluated and the factories are informed as a minimum. Depending on the problem, we may revise process and tooling, change the QC checklist or take other actions as necessary. Okay, that's it. I hope this gives you some confidence that we make quality as high as we possibly can. Thank you for your time. If you've got any questions, please contact us. Thanks.